So I got this new camera set up anyway. It's got a microphone on it. And it's probably really noisy. I don't know if you can hear me, but I won't know until I make the video. Because I'm dumping rocks and everything outside, and it's a beautiful day. I love it here. I love working when it's late, nice and sunny. Because here, there's a lot of rain, and it usually rains a lot, every day. But today is nice. The rain's supposed to start again on Saturday. But today, it's nice. So now, this, what I'm doing, this machine is very rough, very hard. You'll be able to look around at what we're building and stuff like that. So anyway, the place that I'm at, I'm making all this rock because it's going to be a natural gas plant. There's these big tanks there that are going to hold a lot of gas, and then the boats are going to come and they're going to take the gas away by big pressurized tanks, big boats. You'll see it when I switch the camera around. Okay, I got the camera switched around now. So as I'm turning, you can see the big tanks where they're going to store the propane. See, they're still building them right now.